number coding and human frequencies. Message from the pure source energy frequency. Channeled by Kirsty Crawford. Greetings, dearest souls. I will begin by telling you that towers which carry transmissions across your planet for purposes of the internet, television, and radio at one point were replaced with the technologies such as 5G towers. Initially, they encoded frequency interference. Dear souls, imagine, if you will, a fan that sends airwaves out at a particular volume. Those towers were coded in the early days to shift and lower the human frequency. Modern technology on your planet in recent years has started to produce towers that are heavier in frequency waves. However, dear souls, they are not really an advantage. This is because already awakened and awakening souls on your realm have been vastly shifting frequency for some time now. Dearest souls, there are, however, particular times that your Earth governments will ramp up the frequency tone. Some examples of this would be your March and September blood moons. Dear souls, if you would permit me to backtrack for just a spell, let's do it, shall we? After the 5G towers initially went up, many of those on your planet showed signs of migraines and jarring spikes in anxiety flare-ups. If you can think back, you might remember that a lot of things of this nature around the start of your current Earth decade in 2020, when COVID was a lockdown humanity, so to speak. This was done partly in order to implement a lower 5G frequency. However, at the same time, the mass number coding went viral. Dear souls, what is happening? It also is that many of you have started to adapt, and some of you have adapted to this 5D frequency, thus allowing your computer or your brain, if you will, to pick up on the right moments when it may be necessary to shift your vibrational pulse to a higher energetic frequency. This is why some of you even listen to your headphones a lot more nowadays, as listening to music, because you are able to pick up on the jolts and the sudden extreme fluctuations in the music, right around the time that a shift in frequency may be necessary. You have been listening to a message from the pure source energy, channeled by Kirsty Crawford. You can find Kirsty and her work on the various social media platforms listed in the link